So what you may also want to do is use AI for captions and hashtags from Microsoft Designer, and it is a feature of Microsoft Designer. So over here you can see that I have this particular design right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to generate caption and hashtag for this particular design before I want to post it out. So in that case, you can go around onto the download section right here, and over here you can see that use AI for caption and hashtags is an option over here, just like this. So you can go around and click on try it, and you can choose LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook right here and connect an account over here as well and see how this actually looks. So let's say I'm going to go around and I'm going to create something for Instagram right here, and you can see the Instagram look right here. Based on what you have right here, you can see that you get the Instagram look for this. So based on what you want to do with the post, like raise awareness or get more engagement or increase sales or booking right here, you can go around and choose your purpose. And what you can do is you can go around and then write a quick description about it. So let's say, for example, we are a travel agency and we provide various holiday packages for solo travelers, and we want to market it right here. So let's say this is what we have. So what you can do is you can simply type in text like this, description, and then click on generate. And what happens is that it analyzes out the text, and then for increasing sales, you can see that this is what you have. You get the hashtags over here just like this as well. So this is what you have. So you can go around and click on hashtags right here. And then these are the hashtags, and over here in caption you can see that it says, are you ready to travel solo? Our holiday packages make it easier and stress-free. Don't let your adventurous spirit become a victim of the pandemic. Join and explore the world. Chase your dreams and discover the world with us. You can travel solo with ease and comfort. So once you go around and click on it, you can see that this is what it generated right here, just like this. You can also click on generate more right here, and then you get more generations over here just like this, and you can click on it and add in the description as you like right here. Let me click on back right here. You can also skip this entirely and just write the a caption manually as well. So you can go around and then make changes right here just like this, and maybe let's say, for example, you want to keep the hashtags over here on let's say, for example, the bottom right here. Then this is what you have as well. You can also go around over here and copy the text out to clipboard by using this copy to clipboard option, and then use this for the designs that you may have as well. And this is how you can go around and then use AI for captions and hashtags inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe